Okay, good. All right, so let me go back. So, good morning, champion. So, this is Giftstar, the lady that is giving the initiative for the 1,000 African professional youths, giving them a free scholarship empowerment to get access to the freelancing course that is what 35,000 naira. So, but our company, the ZUEX Multi-Services Limited, also known as the ZUEX Company, is giving this scholarship, free of charge. All you are expected to do is to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, fill the form, and share our flyer and post to the groups, to the Facebook, to the LinkedIn group that you belong, and you get access to this course. So right now, so if you are giving access, so the video is for the people that said they don't have, they cannot get access, or they cannot access the course that I sent to them. So once the course comes to your email address, it comes as this: ZUEX Multi-Services Limited. All you have to do is to click open on it. As you can see, I have clicked open on this, and it's showing you ZUEX Multi-Services Limited shared a folder with you. Now, this is very important. Hi, kindly find your free course on the ABC of Freelancing. Now, this is where the instruction comes. Click on the highlighted blue color titles to access the video course. Reach out to me on WhatsApp on any difficulties you encounter. So you have difficulty. Do you have to wait for me to create a pool before you tell me that you have any form of difficulty? Have to do is to reach out to me on WhatsApp. Tell me I have difficulty, and I will help you solve that. But none of you reached out until I created a pool. But thank God for my kind heart. So remember to subscribe. So if you are listening, or you got our freelancing course and you've not subscribed, you are in a serious error. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because apart from the freelancing course, there are things that we drop in that YouTube channel that will help you to get a job within 3 to 6 months' time. Even before 3 months' time is the assurance. I beat my chest on that. You understand? So ensure that you subscribe so you get updates. So if you have this course and you don't, so you are missing a lot. You think it's only that freelancing course. The freelancing course is unlisted, but if you subscribe, you get to get updates of our public posts, our public video posts that we send that can help you in your career journey so that you don't make mistake. So we wait to hear your testimony. If you have passed through this school and you utilize any of the strategies and you don't get to us when you get your testimony, you get a job, you get a gig, you get a contract, you start using any of the strategies we taught you, and you decide to keep quiet, it will be wrong of you. Please, our fulfillment is you giving us the testimony, giving us that good news, sharing that good news of you using our strategy and it worked for you. So we await your good news. So now let me go ahead to click open. So this is the free package. It's either you click here or you click the open icon. Are you seeing that? So once you click open to this is added income section, this is free materials, this is premium package, this is premium package. Okay, let me click on this added material and see. So now, if you can see, this is actually what we sell our courses for. The people that have bought our courses in the past, we have the basic, which is $15, 15,000. I can show you with evidence people that have paid for this course in the past. $25, which is 25,000, which is the standard package. We have the premium. Look at it. This is 35,000. So you see, and what I am giving to you is the premium course, to see that I am a very kind-hearted person. You are even supposed to go and spread the news of ZUEX Company in your social media platform without even me telling you. You should be doing it every week just to tell us thank you for what we did. Look at single package. I neither gave you any of this package, but I gave you the premium package. Is that not good enough to say thank you to ZUEX? Okay, so these are the things you will be learning. This is not where the course is. Then let me show you where the course. This is what you are going to learn from the course. Now, this is, let me open here. So now, these are the free videos and links to courses that will help your freelancing and remote work journey as a freelancer. You understand? So if you are somebody that have gotten this material, all you have to do is to go to these links and subscribe. Click on it like this one now. I don't know whether it's still working. I know I've changed most of this. So it's showing 404. So that means I have to update this. So all you have to do is to click on this link. It will take you directly to our, our YouTube channel, TikTok channel, but I know that I have changed most of these names. That's why you cannot click. So I will update this and resend it. You understand? So these are what you need to subscribe. Then these are the courses down that can help you in your journey as a freelancer. Are you getting that? So you click on it. Once you just click on this highlighted thing, it takes you to the course immediately. So good thing that I'm doing this video so that I can update all these things. Then let me go back. Then this is where your course is. Let me check. Let's open it. Yes, this is where the course is. So like I said, the highlighted blue column. So this is the premium package. All you have to do is just to click on introduction. Bam. Once you click on introduction, it takes you to the video. Are you seeing that? That is how to access the course. You start listening to your course, freelancing and remote work. So let's hear me as I talk. So I have to stop here. So this is how you can access all your courses one by one. Once you finish watching this one, you click on back or you go back. Sorry, you go back to this thing on top is blocking me. So I cannot see it. So you just go back, go to other courses. I don't know why this pan here is blocking my view. So that is how to access your course. I wanted to, you know, good. It has gone out. Oh my God, it's still back again. So I'm just trying so hard to remove this, but I cannot. But let me click. Okay, this is the email address. There's something on top. I don't know whether you can see it is blocking what I want to do here. So, sorry. This is where I give you access. Okay, let me check here. I don't know. I don't know. Yes. So that is that. Look at it here. So if you want to, go to the second course, you just click on this. It will take you to the second course immediately. You start watching your second course. Are you seeing that? Let me fast forward it. We even made it in a way that you have the video, you have the audio, you have the text, depending on how you learn. Do you get that? So that is it. So if you finish, you want to go to the third course, you still click on this. And now let me go to this. So this is all you have to learn. If you really want to know in what is in all the highlighted column, you just come here and you just click on this. It will show you what each of the courses teaches you. Voila, that is how to get access to the course. So I hope I made myself clear. So I am going to be sending our YouTube channel link and our Facebook, our other social platform channel for those of you. I know the people that have actually given access to this course. So I might, if I have time, form a WhatsApp group for you people. But if there's no time, we use the normal group. Just ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, our TikTok channel, all our channels, because I'll be posting video that will help you to become a professional, earning in different streams of income. I'll be waiting for your testimony. Cheers. See you in my next video.